Hi folks, welcome back. So I'm going to quickly walk you through the Keystone library file once you open it up. And when you go to open it up, it's going to take a little while if you're downloading it and then opening it on your computer. And the reason I say that is because it's got to convert from, I think, a 2010 model to a 2021 model. And that is why it's going to take some time. As you can see, when I first open it, it's going to open in one of the sheets, and it's the roof framing plan. I think that's just because the last time this file was saved, it was saved in the sheets file. So as you can see, there are some things already in here for you. So you've got a A1 sheet first floor plan, and they have some stuff in there already listed. Second floor. This is where you will be putting in a green roof at some point. If I go to the 3D model, I want to show you what that looks like. So here's the 3D model. I like to rotate it to this side because this is how I like to look at it. Just personal preference, really. So here is where you'll have the green roof. If I zoom in, this portion right here is going to be a green roof. And it's going to support a load of people, the load from people walking on it. So we got to keep that in mind too. But for this assignment 3.1.3, the commercial wall system, you're going to be, after you finish the worksheet, you're going to be inserting a wall across here. And then at some point, not only are we going to insert that wall, we'll be putting in a curtain wall. So if you'd like to attempt putting in a curtain wall or adding in the windows, because of the fact that we have a green roof, we need to have access to it. And it is a green roof, so it would look really pretty or really functional, honestly, if you had a bunch of windows that allow people that were still in the library to see out into it. Because if we were to go back into one of the previous assignments, you would know that this is where they're going to have stacks of books. So people are going to be up there anyway looking to read. Might as well give them a view to look at. So we're going to be adding that wall in. Not only are we going to be doing that, along the way you'll be also editing this floor plan. So think about some changes you might want to start making. Maybe jot them down, be prepared, because at some point, either next week or the following, we will be making changes and editing the floor plan and start laying out where we want our things to be put. Go to the criteria and constraints. You can find that at the very front of Unit 1, it says the Keystone Library Renovation Project Information. There it is. So you can see that right here. This is where you will find all the criteria and constraints that you need to have. So start thinking about where you want to lay those things out. All right, but you can check out your floor plans. This will be the first floor, and they've already got some numbering in there. Sorry, it says it's the second floor. My apologies. Then you've got your ground floor. But we will be working on the second floor to put in our wall that's missing. Another thing is the walls that we normally put in, if I were to like insert a wall, it's going to be at a certain height. So just make sure that it matches with the height of these walls and they end up matching to each other. So keep those in mind. But as you can see, we got a bunch of stuff already in here for us, which is really nice. Some of these plans we aren't going to use, but they're in there. So I'll tell you at some point when or if we're going to delete them once we get there. But otherwise, that is what I have. I just wanted to show you what this looks like. Again, if you're struggling to see things, you can change your detail level from medium to fine. If you want to see a realistic look, you can change it to realistic. We'll see if my computer freaks out while I do this. This will give you the colored version of this 3D model. So there's that. And yeah, we go through that. But I just wanted to make you aware of what this looked like. Again, we're putting in the wall across here to close this off. Then we'll be putting in roofs, I think, next week. We'll continue to work on that. But I just wanted to show you. Hope you guys have a great day.